Hello everyone and welcome to Pep Coding. I hope you all are extremely good. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the increment operator in Python, right? So we know that in languages like C++ and Java we have an increment operator which is denoted by this symbol, right? So this will do what? If let's suppose we have a variable say a, the value of a is say 5. So if I use this increment operator, then it will increment the value of 5 by 1, right? So after executing this, we'll get value of a as 6, right? So there are two kinds of increment operator, post increment and pre increment, right? Post increment is like this, pre increment is like this. Now post increment is what? Firstly it will use the value of variable, then it will increment the value of that variable. But in pre-increment, firstly it will increment the value of a variable and then it will use that variable, right? So this is all about the increment operator in C++ and Java. But in Python language there is no such kind of variable, right? So if I use increment operator in Python, it will give me an error. We'll discuss later that if we use this operator in Python what it will do, right? But it is not functioning in Python, right? So firstly let me discuss that if we want to increment the value of any variable, then how can we do this in Python, right? So in Python we have a variable like this, right? So if I write like this, then it will increment the value of a by 1, right? So let's try to code this. Let the value of a variable say a is 20, right? Now I write like this, right? Next let me print the value of a, right? So this statement will increment the value of a by 1. So firstly the value of a is 20, after incrementing it will become 21, right? So this is how we can increment the value of a variable using Python, right? Similarly if I want to increment a string, right? Let's suppose I have a string b and I want to add something like hello pepper, right? After that let's print this string, right? Let's define this with an empty string first, right? So firstly the string is empty, after that I add some new string to this empty string by using this operator, right? So this is how this statement is telling us how we can increment the value of a variable in Python, right? So we can do this like do it like this also, right? This is that we are incrementing the value of a by 1 in this. This is the simple assignment operator. This statement is known as augmented assignment statement. Augmented assignment statement, right? This simple assignment operator is doing what? It will firstly evaluate the right hand side and then modify the right hand side by this, right? It will firstly find the value of a, that is 1. It will evaluate this expression and then modify this a to this, right? The value of a becomes 6, right? But in this augmented assignment statement, this is done what? This is firstly reading the value of left hand side. Firstly it is evaluating left hand side and after that it is incrementing the value of a by 1 using this statement, right? So it is firstly evaluating right hand side and after that adding that value to the left hand side. But in this it is firstly reading the left hand side and after that updating the value of this variable in place, right? So in the memory the value of a is updated to +1, right? To 6 in this case, right? So this is how we can increment a variable in Python, right? So next Here we can also increment this by any factor, right? Like I can increment this by 6 also, right? So the value of a becomes 26. Firstly it is 20, it becomes 26. But if we talk about the increment operators of Java and C++, then that variable only increment the value of variable by, if I use this variable, this operator, then this will only increment the value of variable by 1 only. That's why I am writing 1 here, that right? Next, if I talk about why this increment operator is not available in Python, right? So this is a simple design decision, right? So the designers which are adding the features in Python, they didn't find it useful to add this feature, that is the increment operator functionality to the Python language like the old CPP style, right? So they didn't add this functionality to Python because they didn't find it useful, right? So this is a simple design decision that this type of increment operator is not available in Python, right? Next, if I use this operator in Python, then what will happen, right? Now if I use post increment operator in Python, now this will be treated as simple binary addition operator by Python, yes, right? So this will be treated as simple binary addition operator in Python. So this operator requires operands on both hand side, right? On left hand as well as on right side, right? So when it will find a operand on the left hand side and then a binary addition, then it expects a operand, a variable or a number on the left hand, on the right hand side also. But when it find again a operator here, it will give an error, right? So if I like something like this in Python, it will give me an error, right? Let's try to use this. So it is giving me a syntax error, right? Because it is this plus operator is expecting an operand on its right hand side also, but it is getting a again an operator, right? So it is giving me an error. Next, if I use pre-increment operator in Python, now in Python there is a unary operator available like this and this, right? So it is doing what? It is parsing this like this, right? So it is firstly converting this to simple a and then again to simple a. So this is evaluated to a simple variable in Python, right? This is like this. If I write like this will give me minus a, right? Similarly, this will give me plus a in Python. Python will parse it like an unary operator, right? So if I write like this, so the value remains same, that is 20. So it is a the Python is parsing the post increment operator, the pre increment operator like a unary operator, right? So a is treated as plus of plus a, right? Plus a is what? A. Again plus a is what? A, right? So in the same way you can also use decrement operator like this, right? So in Python, if you want to increment the value of a variable by 1, you have to use this statement, that is the augmented assignment operator a statement, and if you want to decrement the operator by 1, you have to use this statement, right? So I hope you understand that why the increment operators are not available in Python. If I use these operators in Python, what will happen, and how can we increment the value of a variable in Python, right? So if you understand the concept, then give a like to this video. Thank you for watching.